Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Idaho State Tax Commission for e-filing step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with the Idaho State Tax Commission for e-filing, visit the official website. Look for the e-filing section on the homepage. Click on the link to access the e-filing portal. On the e-filing portal page, locate the option for user authentication. Select the button that instructs you to log in or create an account. If you are a first-time user, choose the option to create an account. You will be prompted to provide personal information, including your name, social security number, and date of birth. Fill in the required fields accurately and completely. Once you have entered your details, submit the form to create your account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials in the appropriate fields. This typically includes your user ID and password. If you have forgotten your password, look for the password recovery link. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your registered email or security questions. After successfully logging in, verify your identity by answering any security questions presented. Once your identity is confirmed, you can access the e-filing services. Take a moment to review any notifications or messages on your dashboard. Now, you are ready to proceed with filing your taxes online. Follow the instructions provided in the e-filing system to complete your return. Ensure you save your progress regularly during the filing process. When you finish, double-check your entries for accuracy. Finally, submit your e-filed return following the on-screen instructions. Keep a confirmation of your submission for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.